Let's do this. 1, 2, 3. Hey, what's up you guys? David Cool10 is here. I'm back for another video. So I'm gonna teach y'all a really cool magic trick that anyone can do. For this trick, it's easy and fun. It's not dangerous. Like I always do a dangerous, crazy trick. Some of you of my friends are watching this right now. But here's a cool trick that anyone can do. That will be my first tutorial trick of this day. So enjoy the video and enjoy the performance. Here we go. Let's say if I got the Queen of Clubs, showing that to my spectator. Y'all can be my spectator today, alright? Alright. The Queen of Clubs is right here on top. So I'm gonna put it right here in the middle. Okay? Fair enough, right? Alright, so I'm gonna give it the card to my spectator. They're gonna mix them up. Like that. I'm gonna get half of the deck of mine. The spectator is gonna be their card right here, okay? So, my spectator is gonna find the Queen of Clubs. What do you think it's gonna be? Comment down below right now. I'm gonna give you 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Alright. Do you think it's right here? No, it's not the Queen of Clubs. Where the Queen of Clubs could be? It won't be another chance for you. So, give me that 7 of heart back. Alright? Okay, so now we're going to be the 7 of hearts and you lost your Queen of Clubs. Where could it be? Alright? I'm going to put it right here on the middle on the file of the deck. Alright, here we go. Do you believe it we're going to change to Queen of Clubs? Yes or no? Alright, let's do this. 1, 2, 3. Here it is. Queen of Clubs. Do you want to know how this trick works? Let's get on to it. Alright. Here's the cool card trick that you want to learn. Alright? Comment down below if it's cool or not. If it's terrible, I don't care. So here is the trick, how it works. You always gotta be prepared, okay? So you gotta have a double lift, a pinky break right here to be prepared of this trick, okay? No one can tell. So you didn't. Some of you know, some of you didn't. I had the pinky break the whole time when I was showing y'all the performance. Alright? Let's say just pretend like it's a top card, but it's the 7 of Clubs. But behind of it, it wasn't the 7 of Clubs. Okay? Like the Queen of Clubs wasn't on top the whole time. It was on the second. Alright? You always gotta go like this. If you go like that, it will ruin your trick, okay? So you don't want that, right? So always be prepared to put your pinky break right here. Alright? Like this. The whole time. Without knowing. But the only not to do the pinky break is not like this, okay? It will also ruin your trick too. Alright? Always have this. Alright? The whole time. Pinky break. Right here behind of the deck. Alright. You gotta go like this. Pretend it's 1. Alright? And then flip it over. And then they would think the 7 of Clubs still right here. But it's not the 7 of Clubs. It's the 7 of heart. So the 7 of Clubs is right here on top. So you're gonna tell them to put it somewhere in the middle. Okay? And then you're gonna give the whole deck to your spectator to mix them up. But you gotta remember, you gotta follow the top card the whole time, because it's right here. Get it? Like 10 or 5 card, whatever you want. And also you're gonna flip it over to get another pinky break. Like that. Do you see? Same thing. Right there, the 7 club. I'm gonna prove it to y'all. Alright? The 7 club. And then you're gonna ask your spectator, where could the 7 club be? So your spectator gonna say right here. Say right here. And you're gonna be like, oh, that's not the 7 club. So where could it be? You lost the 7 club. Well, you're gonna ask your spectator to give back your card, put it right here on top with the same pinky break. Alright? So it's right here, right? Correct? Alright. And then you're gonna grab it hardly, because if you do like this, it will ruin your trick. Alright? You don't want that. So you gotta practice every time when you get better. And then you can put it in the middle of the file. And then dump your finger, whether you want to use your middle. I will use my middle finger, not my index finger. My middle, to dump it. And then I'll flip it like this. Oops. That didn't work. But I was holding too hard, but hold it like a little bit soft before you could be able to flip it. There it is. But the only thing, you gotta go lower the whole time, because if you go higher, it won't change. So you gotta go like a little bit half of it. Look, I'll prove it to y'all. Let me get it again. Watch. There, do you see? Or there's another thing if you want to do. I used to do that a lot of time, right? Like this, like you could blow on it. Hold up. Like this. Right here and right here. And then oops, that didn't work. Hold up. It wasn't low enough, so it was higher. There we go. Do you see that? Like that. That's how you do the trick. Oh, you guys, thanks for watching. Make sure you hit the like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll show you for more tutorial trick. And also have fun with that trick with your family and friends to perform that easy trick. So, I love you guys. So it's been David, known as David Cool 10. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace.